Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to create quiz form in Google Classroom. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, enter your Gmail account and click here Google Apps, Classroom. I already add two classes, so I enter here 10th standard math, and look at this here. Several options are there: stream, classroom, people, and grades. So I enter in classroom, and then create options are here. I click there, and then quiz assignment is there. So right now I'm click here. Already I'm not creating any kind of quiz, but right now right now you can add here title, multiple choice questions, and you add here some instruction. Suppose for example I type here, if you like playing game, and this quiz for you, and then type here topic quiz, and after adding those information click here blank quiz, and look at this, and this is my quiz options are come multiple questions. So right now I am add here question, what is the name of Jewish year, option 1, and option 2 you can add here, click here again, option 3, option 4. So and then next you can create here as it is duplicate, also same questions add here duplicate as well as, and you add here answer key also, what exactly in the particular quiz questions you can add here as answer, but you can add those answer after finish the exams. And some options are available: add questions, import question, title of this description, add images, add videos, and add sections. You can add some descriptions also here related those quiz, this general knowledge quiz or what, and all changes are saved in the drive. This already stored in here. Look at this, I click here, so these questions are comes here automatically. After adding those questions you can close this one, back to your classroom. Here you already create this quiz assignment, and then final task is there, assign. Otherwise you can schedule this quiz. Suppose for example today is 19th of May, I can schedule this quiz 20 May, and the timing accordingly, what time I want schedule this, suppose morning 8 o'clock, and schedule this quiz. Automatically my all students are receive these quiz questions, and they give it to me as a feedback solving the quiz problems. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.